Will that work? All right, we're doing an easy one today. 2003, actually, this is just my daily. 03 Acura RSX. So the blower motor is squealing and I cannot stand it anymore. Luckily for me, I already have all the paneling off, so that was done. Anyways, three Phillips screws. I already got one out. You're gonna take that one out. Make sure you drop it and lose it. Maybe disconnect this plug while it's still screwed in. It's just one plug, pinch it, pull. And then take this one out. Just let it drop out of there. And I think you gotta pull that off. And as usual, the ECU's in the way, and I gotta go get another tool because I forgot about that part. You know, you wouldn't want to make this easy. You wouldn't want to just be able to pull this out without having to pull other stuff out. You know, that would make way too much sense. Oh, I can't even pry it out. So it looks like it might be a 10. So I'll go get a 10 and be right back. DTD is a 10 because everything on a Honda is a 10. Just kidding. I don't know. Oh, we're gonna undo this one. You want to make a lot of grunts and noises. That means you're doing it right. And you want to bust your knuckles on a couple things. Like this. Okay. Or strip out the bolt. Usually ends up going good too. So my head's probably right in the way, but this is a 10. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but since it's a quick job, maybe it'll save somebody some money. Almost every car I've ever worked on, the blower motor's on the passenger side under the dashboard. So we'll just pry that down a little bit. Out of the way. And it's, jeez, man, seriously? I just can't believe that. There, okay, it's out. That's what it looks like. I call that the hamster cage. Anyways, this is starting to squeal. It has a limited lifetime warranty, so we're gonna go see if they'll warranty this out. So just throw it on the floor and drive to AutoZone. We'll be back. All right, warrantied out. Heading home, put in the new one. Not a problem. Just always use the right verbiage. I'm here to warranty out my part. Short and simple. Oh, another little tidbit. Always call and make sure they have the part first. The closest one didn't. The one down the road did. All right, I'm gonna go put this dumb thing back in so it quits going drive me bonkers. So I got my 66 running in the background, but anyways, same thing. Line up that breather, pop it in, do everything in reverse. Ain't hard. Famous last words. Okay, I'm not gonna fight it. One more pull. I'm gonna fight it. Okay, so tired of looking at my head probably. Plug in this clip, put the doohickey back on, snap. Apparently this is a breather to do something, don't know what. Pulls the motor or something. And then put ECU bolts back in. Let's go right there. And they're slotted. Come on. That one's hurting the shoulder. Change angle changing. Let's see if we get this last one in. And that's it. We're done. Sure, throw our keys on the ground. And it's blowing. Probably can't hear it over the exhaust, but yeah. The only other thing you gotta do is put this piece back in and your kick panel back in, which just pop on.